Hello YouTubers and welcome back. Today I will show you how to correct install Aster. So let's check this out.
The apocalypse.
In the beginning I will explain how I do that and some tips from ibic.ru. They say it and they know what to do. So from the start, go to www.ibic.ru, go here, download, then click Aster, 2 points, and what you see next. You got 30 days trial with no limits, worth like 100% full version in that 30 days. Then click download. If you use Chrome, you will see download pop up. Click save. And now before we start installation we need to prepare for your safety. Make save point in Windows for best result. Do it by yourself. Previous version of Aster in my computer don't want to make it. And anyway, it's always better to do it by yourself. If you are using NVIDIA graphic card for best result, you can uninstall that feature. By meaning uninstall that feature, uninstall the NVIDIA experience. In some case it doesn't work or even make problem with installation or after restart issue or even blue screen. Now we can go back to installation. Just double click, or in Chrome just click accept if you are an admin. Select your language. We got main language, and like you see we got safety points. We do that already, so unpointed, next agree, and install. And you are done. After that you should restart your computer, and congratulations, you're finished. You got installed Aster. Now you need just configure it. So if you want to know how to correctly configure it, go to the next movie. The great news is the license is unlimited, so even if you buy a new computer you can still use your Aster, only if you want update it, like I know. If Aster restart your computer got a problem, read comment below, I am sure I will help you. Take care! Hey, you don't know what program I use to play multiple games using one computer, but 2 or more screen, keyboard, mouse, etc.? Go check that site for learn more. Also visit Aster forum, on which I post a lot more games and programs. All links will be in the descriptions. If you like that video, be sure you press like button. If you with some reason don't like it, let me know in the comments, maybe next time I will be better for you. So, thank you for watching and have a nice day.